In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Vanguard error 57. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to run through the most common fixes first. Now, the first fix is to go ahead and click on your Windows key on your keyboard and R to open up the run prompt. Then from there, type in services.msc and click OK. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and find VGC. So go ahead and find VGC. Now, once you've found it, we want to go ahead and right click it and then click on restart. Then set startup type to automatic and then restart your PC. Now, the next fix here is to go ahead and make sure Windows is up to date. So click in the settings. Now, once you're inside settings, go to Windows Update, and now make sure that you have the latest version of Windows available or updated on your computer. We can go ahead and click on check for updates to do this. And also, while you're inside the settings, click on time and language. Click in the date and time and make sure set time zone automatically and set time automatically is enabled. If they are disabled, you're going to run into a few problems, and this can cause other games or programs not to work quite how they should. Now, the next fix is to disable any conflicting software. So some apps block Vanguard, like for example third-party antiviruses, so just go ahead and temporarily disable them. Cheat engines, virtual machine software, VirtualBox, VMware, etc. Old RGB hardware monitoring tools, just go ahead and disable and restart your PC. Now, another fix what we can try is run Valorant as admin. So just basically right click on Valorant and run as administrator.